What's up everybody, Black Dragonrider here. How you guys doing? Just on my way home because I'm really hungry and I want to have fish fingers sandwich with hash brown and with cheese. Yeah, because I'm really hungry. But before I actually go home, I want to take some few pictures of me and my bike, because I've got my new tripod for my phone, and not also just for my phone, also for my Drift Ghost Ace. So I can't wait to use it, and let's hope that it's not going to throw down, because if it does throw down, then it sucks. I have to wait tomorrow. And also I got a job. Yay! I got a job and I can't wait till freaking Monday. Yeah, Monday. I start work on Monday. I am so happy that I'm gonna start work. Alright, I ain't gonna tell you what job it is, but obviously that the job is 47 minutes out of Doncaster, so yeah, 47 minutes out of Doncaster, and I gotta be there at 3 AM and I'll finish at 9, so there's only 6 hours that we're doing Monday to Friday, and I'm like, yes, thank you. This agency is like, oh my gosh, freaking love it. I'm just so happy I'm finally making some money. Freaking loving it, man. But the problem is that it is temporary. It's only temporary, and that's one thing that really upset me. It's just only temporary. That's the one thing that's really sucked. It's just a temporary job, and it's just like, really? But anyways, it's a job. At least I can get some money and pay some stuff, because there's some stuff I need to get, and stuff that needs really paying, because my insurance company just do me over, and also I get paid every week, so that's good. Yeah, I'm working. I'm gonna be working. Well, so I'll find out when I get there anyway. Even though I got the confirmation to start work, so that means that I have to go to bed early. So I need to make sure that my bike is sorted. Get my bike sorted, make sure everything is ready. I need to change some oil on my bike. Because I need some fresh oil, and hopefully I have enough petrol to get there and get back. I've never been here for a while. I think the last time I've been here when it was snowing. So alright, I need to find a spot, do some photography, and just to let you guys know, if you want to see these pictures, then you guys can actually go to my Instagram. That's right, you can go to my Instagram. The link is down in the description if you want to see these photos of me and my bike, and I'll show you the new tripod that I got. So here's my new tripod. I know what you're thinking, it's small. Don't judge the book by its cover, man. Don't judge by the book of its cover. Ta-da! Freaking awesome. That's really cool. I actually got this for £22. I think it's £22 and 99p. And it comes with attachments for it, for my phone, and also a control as well. So I'm gonna put this on my phone, so I'll be speaking to you guys in a bit. Alright, as you can see guys, that I've got my camera set up and I'm going to take some few pictures. It's me on my bike. So remember guys, go on Instagram. And this is going to be me taking pictures on my bike. Ugh. See how it goes. This tripod here is actually good. I actually do like it. You don't have to get the most expensive tripod. Cool thing. Oh, Mr. Bumblebee. Tired, huh? Well, you can stay on my bike, but I have to say that you... Okay, bye-bye. Oh gosh, I never did modelling for ages. Remember, I did a bit of modelling when I was a kid. Like someone actually believed me, I used to do modelling when I was a kid. You know, so I can actually do reviews like on bikes in the future. Well, I'm not going to actually assume that I will do reviews of bikes in the future. But aside from that, it's actually a good, decent thing. I actually got it. I mean, it's cheap. Yes, it kind of, you know, I don't know. The power of the button. The power of the button. Oh my gosh, the power of the button. It's freaking awesome. Don't know how lucky I am just to get this. I actually hope that I will soon get the freaking L plates off. I might think of doing another new intro. I don't know what you guys think. I'm starting to like this. The button. The power of the button. I definitely enjoyed it. I really do. So if you guys want to see this pictures, it's on Instagram. In fact, it will be already on Instagram. So follow me on Instagram. Now let's turn you off. Call it a day. And do some other photography somewhere else. I could probably do it on my do my other photographies, like I'm doing off-road and on-road adventure, because that will be interesting for me to do that. Just to let you guys know, this is not a review of this. This is not a review. I will do a review of this, but for now I'm just gonna pack this away and head home. Well guys, I am out of here. Black Dragonrider is heading home because he wants fish fingers sandwich, hash brown and with cheese. That's right, because I am hungry. So guys, thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Hope the video was interesting. If not, you know what to do. Press the thumbs button down. If you like the video, press the like button. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Black Dragonrider and I'll speak to you soon. Later.
You've been acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come